Hi, I'm Bobby with Ranch Hand. Today we're going to show you how to install a grill guard for your Ford F-150. Now this is the easiest and most simple install that we have. If you drive in the back roads of Texas, you're going to want this product. Here are the tools you're going to need. Any cutting tool good for plastic and precision cuts, such as a right angle grinder, a large flathead screwdriver, a 3/4 inch socket, and an air wrench or a ratchet. First, you will have to cut openings in the bottom of the bumper in order to install the mounting brackets. You'll want to look at the drawing inside the instructions. In this example, our mechanic has used a marker to draw his lines before making a cut. After you make your cut, test fit the mounting bracket and adjust the size of the opening if need be. Slide the hex nut tab onto the frame over the holes, as seen here. There is a driver and passenger side bottom bracket. Mount the bottom brackets to the bottom of the frame. Leave the brackets loose enough so they can be moved to line up to the grill guard. Using the lift or the help of some buddies, get the grill guard in place. Mount the grill guard to the outside of the bottom brackets with carriage bolts. Line up the grill guard from side to side, then tighten the bottom bolts to the frame. Make sure everything is centered. Line up the grill guard to the headlights. The holes are slotted so the grill guard can be raised or lowered. It can also be leaned forward or backwards. When everything is in line correctly, tighten down all the carriage bolts and you're done.